In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow Google Login for extensions on Brave browser. If you're using browser extensions that rely on your Google account to function properly, enabling Google Login support within Brave can help ensure a smoother experience. Some extensions require Google authentication to sync data, access cloud-based features, or connect to services linked to your Google account. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable this setting so your extensions can use Google sign-in functionality without any issues. To begin, launch Brave browser on your computer and wait for it to load completely. Once the browser is open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. There, you'll find the main menu icon represented by 3 horizontal lines. Click on this icon to open Brave's main menu and access additional browser options. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to Brave's Settings page, where you can customize a variety of browser features and preferences. The Settings area serves as the central location for managing how Brave operates and how different components interact with one another. After the Settings page opens, look toward the left side of the screen. You'll see a navigation panel containing several categories. From this list, click on Extensions. This section is dedicated to extension-related settings and provides controls that determine how extensions behave within the browser environment. Once you're inside the Extensions section, take a moment to review the available options. Look for a setting labeled Allow Google Login for Extensions. This option controls whether extensions can use Google's authentication system when a sign-in process is required. Next to this setting, you'll see a toggle switch. Click the toggle to enable the feature. Turning on this option allows compatible extensions to authenticate through your Google account when necessary. Without this setting enabled, certain extensions may be unable to complete their sign-in process or may not function as intended when Google authentication is required. After enabling the setting, Brave will prompt you to relaunch the browser. Click the Relaunch button to restart Brave and apply the change. Before doing so, make sure any important work is saved, as the browser will close and reopen during the process. Once Brave launches again, the new setting will be active. Extensions that rely on Google authentication should now be able to access the sign-in functionality they need. This can help prevent login-related issues and ensure that supported extensions operate correctly. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully enabled Google Login support for extensions in Brave browser, allowing compatible extensions to connect with Google services whenever required. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.